Hi guys, what's up again? This is Mil at pag-uusapan natin dito yung half anniversary event and 2026 first half update roadmap. So, meron dito yung update plan nila. So, dito sa first year battle, makikita mo yung World Raid Boss. So, which is the name of that boss ay si Yama. Then, ULSR region, Volcano Dracus, New Cransha Continent region, Heart of Volcanka, Corrosion Reef, and also Endless Growth Weapon, Monstery level expansion. And specialization system. And meron din sila for new abilities. May bago silang abilities, guys. Then, artifact and gadgets. And dito naman sa community and unity, meron silang new common content and pinakihintay ng lahat, yung world transfer. Meron na ding unified world marketplace. So, dito papakita nila yung mukha ng bagong world raid boss. So, yun nga, yung name ay si Yama. So, yan yung mukha ni Yama, guys. So, 10 players yung pwedeng sumali sa world raid boss every raid. 10 players yung need. So, meron siyang easy, normal, and hard. So, I don't know lang kung every clear na boss, every round, individual ba yung rewards sa easy, normal, and hard. So, dito sa Volcanoes Dracus is Elsera Continent, New Region, Volcanoes Dracus. So, may bagong region. So, sa region na rin yan, mayroon din naghihintay na boss sa atin, guys. So, maganda din yung reward na nakukuha siguro dyan. Loot dyan, syempre. Then, Heart of Volcanka, defeat new boss and earn powerful reward sa region na yan. So, madaming magagandang drop daw sa area na yan. Then, Corrosion Reef, 2 server in the world will be randomly matched each week. Also, every week may server battle. Nice. And to compete in server versus server daw eh. Then, weapon, mastery level expansion dito kay Endless Growth. The maximum allowing to you gain combat power through highly mastery. Oh, dito naman sa specialization system where you can earn specialization point. You combine mastery XP from all weapons. Oh, I see. Nice. So, syempre, you can create your own combat style pa din naman kung ano yung mas better sa class mo. Pwede kang mag-experiment ng mga bagong abilities na bubuuin mo, guys. So, meron din silang artifact with unique stats, skills, and set effect. Try out various artifact combination. So, kung magandang combine mo, diba, mas maganda ding dagdag sa combat power yan. So, may gadgets din sila. They can be worn alongside existing injury to further increase your strength. Oh, so, dagdag din siya talaga sa group power natin, guys. So, paano ba yung nakukuha? Yun din, no? Baka kukunin din siya sa talpak or nadadrop lang or meron din sa or free lang siguro din to. Sana naman no free. A community and unity, meron dito new human context, human context, garden system will be added then. Your switching spring collector racing your humans. Oh. So, meron na din dito yung pinakahintay talaga ng lahat, yung world transfer. Kaso nga lang, mahalo na tayo sa normal server. Sa dating old server, guys. Then, unified world marketplace. Sa marketplace naman, unified yung ano nila dito, diba? Pero sa Medea kasi, since sa Medea ako, Medea to Medea lang din. So, since mag-update na nga, ay ito na yung, pinakita na yung update plan nila. So, maging unified na din yung marketplace. So, which is a normal and old server ay halo na din yung marketplace nun. So, ayun lang muna, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.